Welcome to Getto Grown, and today we are taking apart a Smith Wesson sw40ve 40, and this is a tutorial on how to take it apart. I'm a concealed carrier, so I always carry my pistol locked, loaded, and ready to go. I'm going to unload the clip. I'm going to unchamber the round because I have one in the hole at all times. You gotta undo it, and then this comes apart like a Glock. You pull this down, and you pull the slide forward, and that comes apart like that, and you have this mechanism. And you take the firing, the spring out, and that comes apart like that. And that's how you disassemble it.
Go.
I'm just gonna get all, it's been a while since I've cleaned this out, and it's got a bunch of lint in it. I use an old toothbrush, and you get down, and you get all the stuff out of it.
And since my mom and my sister didn't show up to my dad's funeral, which I don't blame my mom, she wasn't married anymore, but I was able to, I actually carried him from back over there.
Get all the lint and dust out of there.
I was so upset. I had walked so fast to get in front of the group of people that were at his funeral. Like, I had walked in front of everybody to get there.
There's a bunch of lint down in the hole of the barrel. I'm gonna have to get all that out. Okay, next we're gonna oil it up and clean out the barrel and all the other good stuff. Okay, I've got a Remington gun cleaning kit for pistols, rifles, all that good stuff. But you take the first one and you get out. It hasn't been fired, so I don't have to use the bore cleaning brush or anything. I just want to get all the stuff out of there. Then the next thing you want to do is put a patch in your take this Remington oil, and oil them. Okay, discard this. You don't need anything else out of this kit. You want to take and oil your slide.
Go.
And then you want to oil these spots right here. metal to metal. Not always get down in here. Oil the spring. I'm going to put this back in. Actually, I want to oil this first. There we go. And you take that part, pick that part, and you put it on like that. Then you want to take and put it on there and slide it back. And you want to work that oil into there. Just that easy. Let me show you again. Side cord comes right up. I forgot, if you got it cocked, it won't unload. So you gotta clear it. Oily now. Then it just slides right out. Back in. Rechamber. Add your back in. And she's ready to rock and roll.
Get it all everywhere I go, I ball. Precise, keep my game tight. Over show, I fall. I'm the invincible.